Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Domino's Pizza account password. Open the website dominos.com, then click on the option that says Sign in and earn rewards. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pizza Profile. On this tab, you will see a section for profile settings. On its lower right side, you will see an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Under Personal Information, you will see a section for Password. Beside it, you will see a Change button. Click on Change. On the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the third field to confirm. Once entered, click on Save Password. That's how you change your Domino's Pizza account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.